Latoya and the school supply treasure hunt. The sun peeked over Port Henderson, lighting up the colorful roofs and busy streets. 11-year-old Latoya bounced on her toes, clutching her school bag. "Me ready, Mummy! Me ready for the school supply treasure hunt!" she exclaimed. Her mother, Mrs. Clark, laughed, balancing a tote filled with notebooks, sharpeners, and rulers. "Easy now, Latoya. The hunt starts at 3 different shops, where I will find every book and supply before school start on Monday." Their first stop was Miss Layla's stationery, a small shop tucked between a patty stall and a barber shop. Latoya's eyes lit up at rows of shiny pencils and glittery erasers. But when they asked for the grade 6 math textbook, Miss Leela shook her head. "Last copy sell this morning," she said. Latoya groaned. "Oh no, what we are gonna do now?" Her mother tapped her on her shoulder. "Part of the adventure is using your eyes and your ears. Make we listen carefully for clues." Just then, Latoya noticed a sticky note on the shelf. "Check downtown books for grade 6 math, but hurry before it gone." "The book have a clue," Latoya whispered excitedly. They weaved through the busy streets, dodging delivery carts and waving to neighbors. At downtown books, the crowd was thick, and Latoya had to duck under a big pile of books to reach the shelf. She spotted a display labeled Grade 6 Math Last Copy. Her heart raced as she reached for it, but a boy grabbed it at the same time. Latoya took a deep breath and smiled. "It's okay. You can take it. Me can wait for get another copy." The boy grinned back and handed it to her anyway. "No man, after you." Latoya hugged the book like a treasure chest, realizing this was more than just a hunt. It was about courage and kindness too. Finally, they reached Janet's Nook, a tiny shop sandwiched between KCF and a clothing store. It looked quiet, but inside supplies were scattered across shelves like a maze. Latoya had to crawl under a table to reach the colored pencils, stretch to grab her geometry set from a top shelf, and even solve a mini puzzle Janet gave to her to find a special notebook hidden behind stacks of storybooks. "Wow, this really feels like a treasure hunt," Latoya whispered, holding up her bright notebook. Monday arrived, and Latoya walked into her classroom, heart still racing from the weekend adventure. She froze. Sitting at the desk in front of her was the boy from Downtown Books. "Hi, my name is Tyrese. Me did give you the maths book," he said shyly. Latoya's eyes opened wide. You're my classmate?" Tyrese nodded. "Me did a little favor, but now we have to learn together." Latoya smiled, realizing that her treasure hunt had led to more than just school supplies. It had led to a friendship and a powerful lesson about kindness, patience, and perseverance.